Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. Today's short video is for me to present you our swimsuit pattern, Claudia. Claudia is an asymmetric swimsuit pattern with side darts and power mesh built-in bra for extra support. It also includes a smooth curved center back seam, and it comes with so many pattern pieces that I'm gonna go ahead and go to my table, to my computer, to explain you all the pattern pieces, but not before I explain you that the side detail, it can be made with a ruche or pleats. On the sew along, we also included an extra detail so that if you want to reduce the back coverage of your swimsuit pattern Claudia, you can also follow that tutorial and learn how you can reduce the back coverage. But let's go ahead and let me show you on my computer all the pattern pieces that are included and all you can do with your swimsuit pattern Claudia. Let's dig in.
I will start by explaining what I have on my screen. It's easier for you to understand all the pattern pieces. So on the left side here we have the top lining, which is made of power mesh, and the lower part of the front lining. Then we have these two pieces together combined in one piece, because if you want to sew Claudia without any ruche or pleats on the side, you have the pattern available also, so you should cut this one as your main fabric. Then on the back we have a top part that it matches the front part, which can also be made in power mesh as we did on our sew along, and then the lower part of the lining, which we have this one here, and of course we would have a symmetric one with a smooth curved center back seam like we do on most of our designs. Then this is the main fabric. This is one of the side of the main fabric, the side that doesn't have the strap, and this is the opposite side, this time with the strap. So again, this is the main back pieces. And then finally we have the front main piece with the notches marked so that you know where is the waist and where is the top notch and the lower notch, where you are going to create the gather or pleats on the sides until you match the side seams. And these are all the pattern pieces that come with our swimsuit pattern Claudia. As always, you will have free access to our sew alongs and pattern transformations as soon as you buy the pattern. That's it for today, girls. See you soon!